What's up, my beautiful weebs, and welcome back to the Analyst Podcast.
Yo, today's episode is going to be a special episode because आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं about our favorite anime girls.
Yes.
Our waifus.
ठहरो। तुम लोग एनिमे वाइफूस की बात कर रहे हो और वो भी मेरे बिना, ये कैसे हो सकता है?
ये what is this? ये
Who the hell are you?
मैं ज़िवाना नबीला हूँ। मैं स्वर्ग से उतरी हुई एक अप्सरा हूँ।
ये AI है क्या? Is this the AI taking over the world?
If this is how the AI looks, I don't mind her taking all over me, but hi, I guess.
तथास्तु डार्लिंग।
Hey, thanks. Wait, again, but what
Is this
are
an
you?
anime character? Because I think I've seen this character in some anime, but उसमें काफी tentacles थे.
वो दूसरी कोई एनिमे है। बट मैं बताती हूँ आप लोगों को कि मैं हूँ क्या। ऑलराइट?
Okay.
सो मेरा नाम ज़िवाना नबीला है और मैं एक अप्सरा हूँ, बट आई एम ऑल्सो अ वीट्यूबर। अब आप लोग ये पूछोगे ना कि वीट्यूबर क्या होता है?
Exactly, ये VTuber क्या होता है?
सो वीट्यूबर बेसिकली एक वर्चुअल यूट्यूबर होता है। मतलब ये लोग अपना एक एनिमेटेड कैरेक्टर यूज करके स्ट्रीम या वीडियोस बनाते हैं और वो कैरेक्टर उनको रिप्रेजेंट करता है।
So, are you from an anime?
ये रिवर्स इसेकाई हो रहा है क्या?
सबको एनिमे बनना है एंड आई डोंट ब्लेम देम।
Yeah, honestly, like us too. Like,
हाँ.
I think like she's living our dream right now.
Yeah.
Apsara ji.
हाँ
I
जी।
am. एक second, I'm still shocked. Like, firstly, you're so beautiful.
Aryan पागल हो रहा है.
I know.
Aryan is like love struck.
Oh wow.
Because
Will you-
Aryan, for Aryan, this is like the first time he's talking to a waifu right now.
Yes.
अच्छा।
Again, hi.
हेलो आर्यन।
God.
Aryan would like you to say that again.
हेलो आर्यन।
Oh, fuck.
Hi.
मेरे नाम में आधा आर्यन आता है तो.
Wait, so can you
Okay.
tell us a little bit more about VTubing? Like, what's up?
Like, what and who? Like,
अच्छा।
like, what are you? Who are you? Why are you?
Do you drink water?
हाँ,
Are you like जादू sunlight से तू चार्ज होती है? Like क्या सीन है?
हाँ, तो मैं आप लोगों को बताती हूँ कि वीट्यूबिंग क्या होती है एंड वीट्यूबर्स के बारे में तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया।
हाँ.
तो वीट्यूबिंग कैसे होती है कि बेसिकली हम लोग अपना फेशियल ट्रैकिंग वगैरह यूज करके सो आई कैन डू दिस एंड आई कैन डू दैट एंड आई कैन आल्सो डू दिस।
Whoa, shit.
या तो मैं बहुत कुछ
Not
कर
so hot
सकती हूँ,
anymore.
so
कर से.
आपको तो और भी मुझसे प्यार हो जाना चाहिए।
Yeah, I'm right. Actually, you know what?
जरा वापस नाम लेना आर्यन का. वापस प्यार नहीं कर जाएगा.
Wait, so
सो या वीट्यूबिंग
आप एक actual person हो?
यस, मैं एक एक्चुअल पर्सन हूँ।
Okay.
Yeah, so I was right. She's living our dream because
Ah.
as an anime fan, we would love to have our own anime character,
Correct.
and you get to do that.
Yes.
Wow.
So,
Thank you.
can I call you Nabi by any chance?
Yes, you can call me Navi. You can call me yours as well. So
Oh, no.
Damn. Okay.
Don't make me start with my own pickup lines, Nabi.
oh, you can try. You can try.
Nabi, do you have the Death Note? Because I think you just stopped Aryan's heart.
Oh, damn! You guys are prepared.
Nice. But okay, so can you morph yourself however you want? Like, क्या scene है? Like,
I can. Yes, I can morph myself however I want, and I can like morph my hair as well.
okay.
And मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ. But तुम लोगों ने देख ही लिया है.
Okay.
I'll
Yes.
never get used to that.
Yes, I won't either. So you can change your hair color. You can change. Can you also change your voice? आवाज change कर सकते हो?
नहीं, मैं तो I was born with this आवाज, so मैं वो change नहीं कर सकती, but I can try to like you know.
Okay.
Nice voice, by the way.
Yeah, nice voice. But I have seen.
Thank you.
Have you seen like AI modules जिसमें you can change
हाँ,
सबके
मैं शाहरुख खान
आवाज?
की तरह मैं
हाँ.
बात कर आवाज में बात कर. शाहरुख खान वैसे बात नहीं करता है, but okay.
मैं शिनचैन की आवाज निकाल सकती हूँ।
Okay, go ahead.
नन्ना को दीदी, अब मैं कुछ इतना भी खास नहीं।
Damn. Spot on.
Yes.
Okay, so now मेरे को थोड़ा trust issues हो रहा है. Like you can make any anime character and then use face tracking to become this VTuber.
Correct.
तो how do I believe कि ये लड़की है?
वही तो चार्म होता है VTubers का. Like you don't know, I could be like a 50-year-old man with थोड़ा पतला voice, तो किसको पता नहीं चलता. That's the mystery of it.
अच्छा, so like anybody can become a VTuber, like.
So even I can.
तो VTubing first start हुई थी जापान में, है ना?
Okay.
And उसके बाद it blew up during the pandemic time, है ना? And afterwards तो VTubing like in western like audiences के साथ पे it's very popular within the western audience, and यहाँ Indian audience के लिए मैं आ गई हूँ. So hopefully it becomes like a huge thing here as well.
And you do live streams and play games and everything?
Yes, I do live streams, I play games, I sleep, eat, repeat. Yeah, I do everything that a human does.
Like अभी मेरे को समझ रहा नहीं है कि like I'm thinking about the live streams and how people answer to you. Like do they ask you on a date or something?
Yes, they do ask
Like
me on a
because
date.
I'm
मुझे
so
daily
close in
basis-
मेरे को
so-
वही लग रहा कि शायद से आर्यन अभी पूछने वाला है.
Oh, क्या पूछने वाले आर्यन?
Let's see how this conversation goes. I might ask you out later. But do you get asked out on like on live streams पे तुम्हें कोई पूछता है कि हे ना भी मेरे साथ तुम डेट पे चलोगी? Virtual date पे maybe.
Yes, मुझे तो बहुत मतलब बहुत आते हैं, but I am like super awkward, man. I mean, अगर तुम्हारे पास 10 बीघा ज़मीन है तो I'm down for it, but if not, then
Well, ज़मीन
We'll see,
तो
we
नहीं
can
है, but I
compromise
am the
somewhere.
host of anime YouTube channel
which is now streaming on
on
Jio
Jio Cinema.
oh, that works too. That works.
Like this is the first. This is okay, guys. This is the first time we are having a guest who's a VTuber.
Yeah.
So Navi, can I ask you something a little bit serious? Ki, like, are you doing VTubing as a means of escapism? Like, तुम्हें दुनिया से जरा दूर जाना है, like
Like hiding your identity,
हाँ.
becoming a different person.
So is it
Okay,
because of
okay.
that you have
So
chosen VTubing?
So let me start off with मैं कैसे VTuber बनी.
Okay.
I cannot say for everyone, but for me क्या हुआ था कि again pandemic का समय चल रहा था और मैंने एक ad देखा and उधर पे लिखा था कि do you wanna be an anime girl, a VTuber? तो मैंने बोला, मैंने VTuber को इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, वो शब्द को इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, but I was like anime girl, yes, मुझे तो definitely बनना है anime girl, and I applied for it and I auditioned for it and मैं बन गई VTuber. लेकिन मुझे तब पता नहीं था कि VTubers होते क्या है.
हाँ.
So जब मैं VTuber बन गई, I kind of learned on the job कि मतलब VTubers क्या होते हैं, कहाँ से आए हैं, क्या करते हैं. So yeah, so I just embraced this VTubing and VTuber thing without knowing what it is, but I do it for fun now. It's really fun. I can show the personality, like मेरा जो personality मैं in real life नहीं दिखा सकती, वो personality मैं as a VTuber दिखा सकती हूँ.
So right now जिससे जब से मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा हूँ, ऐसा लग रहा है that you are an extrovert. Are you the same in real life?
No, I'm actually very introverted in real life क्योंकि social anxiety होती है. But as a, like I said, like I get the confidence from Zivana being Zivana, है ना? तो उधर से I can just speak my mind out and I wouldn't say कि ये mask है. I would say rather it's a stage for me to show more of myself.
Okay.
So when you're in this setup, you are playing a character. You're basically becoming
Yes,
an
yes.
actor. Huh.
I wouldn't say actor, but I would say like more of like a different side of my personality, like a more extroverted side of my personality. Show कर रही हूँ.
Okay.
The side that which cannot be shown in real life.
Like एक मैंने ये notice किया है about an anime community point of view से. Even for me.
Yeah.
अभी जब मैं podcast में बैठता हूँ, I am so easy to flirt with you. I can flirt all day. But in real life मैं बहुत इंट्रोवर्टेड हूँ, मैं बहुत शांत हूँ, एंड वो पूरा एक डिफरेंट पर्सोना मेरा आ जाता है.
Notice me senpai, say hey, call me senpai.
Correct.
Yes.
Dude, it's quite
That's
cool, yeah. Like living an anime life. And do you do this for a living? Are you a VTuber for a living?
Yes, right now I'm doing YouTubing as a full-time job. Yes, I do it for a living.
Wow, okay. So what do you do as a VTuber? Like Aryan ne kaha you play games and all, like you do streaming. But
Yes,
उसमें भी
तो
क्या?
mostly मैं stream करती हूँ. तो I stream. I wouldn't say कि I'm a gaming streamer क्योंकि मैं games तो बहुत गंदे तरीके से खेलती हूँ. But I do live streams where I talk to people and interact with them and like have fun. Basically variety streams करती हूँ मैं.
Got it.
You should play some games with Aryan because Aryan is a huge player.
Yeah. Like we can go in a
I
cafe
can
in
see
Genshin
that.
Impact and just have a drink.
Wow, ये तो कतई weeb वाली बात कही है.
I'll take that as a compliment. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, do you like anime, Navi?
I mean, of course.
Yeah,
Yes.
because उसने कहा था ना कि that वो पोस्टर देख के कि do you want to become an anime girl?
Correct. But this is so sus ना कि ऐसा एक पोस्टर आया. Do you want to be an anime girl? And Nabi's like, yes.
Yes.
Say no more, senor.
You got me.
Yeah, say no more.
So what's your like a top 3 anime?
My top 3 anime would be Asobi Asobase.
Oh, nice.
What?
So it's a slice of life comedy anime.
How do you know that?
I'm the analyst. I'm the
How do
host
you not know that?
of an OTT podcast, Aryan.
Bapre. What is Asuna? What? Okay. Asuno? What is it?
Asobi Asobase.
Asuni?
Asobi.
Asobi.
हाँ.
Asobi?
Nabi? आगे?
Asobi Nabi?
Asobi Asobase, and then I like Psyche K.
Oh, Psyche
And
K.
I also like.
Nice.
Yes, I also love Mob Psycho.
Ah.
Like Psyche K is the
हाँ.
anime that we love. Mob
हाँ.
Psycho is something that I love because
हाँ,
Meta have
it's what I like. Mob Psycho is good.
Man, that's nice. Tell me something about this Asobi Asobase.
तो बेसिकली ये जो एनिमे है इट्स अबाउट 3 गर्ल्स और एक जो होती है वो शी एक्ट्स एज इफ कि उसको जापानीज नहीं आती है, लाइक शी इज अ फॉरेनर एंड it's a really funny anime. I don't want to give people any spoilers, but yeah,
Okay.
it's totally hilarious. Trust me, you should
But
watch it.
जितना मैंने सुना, it's more of a slice of life anime, right?
Yes, it is.
I guess it's
It's
similar to Nichijou.
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 Nichijou
Nichijou, I guess.
Nichijou,
Daily lives of high school.
almost.
That's a different
I am
anime.
confusing between anime. God damn.
Aryan ने इतने सारे anime देखे हैं.
When you watch too much anime,
Exactly.
you're
Yeah, that
done,
happens.
guys.
So don't worry, I can recommend us good animes on a first date.
Oh, sure.
मैं पूरा awkward बना रहा हूँ ये.
नहीं, but going on
Anime
to your
and chill.
next.
Anime and chill.
Oh yeah, anime and chill.
Anime and
Nice.
chill, guys.
But Navi, your next 2 recommendations, your favorite anime, Psyche K and Mob Psycho. Would you like to tell our audience more about these 2 anime?
हाँ तो I would say कि Mob Psycho is about this kid है ना, जो I think I would say like psychologically देखा जाए तो you shouldn't bottle up things वरना Mob Psycho जैसा फट जाओगे तुम. And Psyche K का क्या है कि I think he just wants to fit in with everyone. अगर तुम थोड़े से भी different हो अपने peers से तो you feel very alienated है ना, तो उसी वजह से he just wants to be as normal as possible. तो मैं psychological take देख रही हूँ anime का, वरना अगर plot line के हिसाब से जाए तो it's a really fun anime basically. It's very fun to watch anime.
Nice.
That's nice. For me,
Like,
I've seen.
if that's the first time I've heard somebody explain these 2 anime in this way, because when I ask people कि talk about this anime, they just go with the plot saying कि हाँ एक
बंदा
लड़का
रहता
है
है, वो
जिसका
OP
psychic
रहता है.
powers है,
हाँ.
and like you won't even understand कि मैं कौन से anime की बात कर रहा हूँ. Am I talking about
Correct.
Mob Psycho? Am I talking about Psyche K?
Correct.
But the way that you described it, कि you shouldn't bottle up your feelings like this, and Psyche trying to fit in the normal life.
Fit in,
Yeah, that's a good analysis of the
Yeah.
both anime.
Yeah. Do you mind me a little bit going a little bit towards the VTubing angle?
हाँ please, yeah.
I want to know कि like जो तू है, okay, जो आप हो, that is something bizarre out of this world, correct? Audience कैसे react कर रहा है? Like, is there any hate coming from the people? Is there like, are people more intrigued in knowing you for you or knowing Nabi more?
Or do you get trolls?
हाँ.
Like,
Oh,
that was
so
a very
about-
multi-layered question. You want to tackle it one at a time?
So, okay, to start off, the reaction, एक मेरा reel blow up हुआ था about
Okay.
like being an Indian VTuber. तो उसमें I saw like a lot of people were liking it, but a lot of people were also not liking it क्योंकि again it's their personal opinion. I don't take it like उनका जो personal opinion है, I don't take it as like a fact, है ना? सबका अपना अपना opinion होता है. But there were a lot of people who said a lot of baseless things as well, and बहुत ही बुरा लगा first में तो like there were lots of trolls. But I was like, good publicity, bad publicity, either way is
Marketing तो हो रही है.
है ना? हाँ, so I just take it like चलो कोई बात नहीं, जो भी हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है ना? So I just take it with a grain of salt क्योंकि internet is a weird place, man. You just you have to have thick skin to survive, and as
That is
content
true.
creators, you need to be you need to have tough skin, you know. So yeah. होते हैं trolls होते हैं, but then again like I've built such a nice community, a small nice community, and I want to build it further as well, like keep growing.
Nice.
Okay, but are you feeling that you're losing your own self? Like खुद का personality जा रहा है तुम्हारा while you're taking this new persona?
No, see, that's where I want to like say कि ये मेरा new persona नहीं था. It was more of like a hidden persona जो मैं लोगों को दिखा नहीं सकती थी. So VTubing has helped me so much कि I can hold a conversation with a person. वरना मैं ना ऐसी थी कि I wouldn't be able to talk to a person भी. लोग मुझे बोलते थे कि यार तुम इतने चुप क्यों रहते, तुम इतने घमंडी लगते थे मेरे को पहले. But it's like मेरे को शर्म आती है यार.
I get the same thing.
VTubing has है ना?
As an anime fan, I guess a lot of people might connect to that point.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it has helped me. It has helped me like show a side of myself ki khula side of myself, and it has helped me become a more extroverted person and a more social person.
Okay.
Yes.
Nice.
Like, are you a Taurus by any chance?
No, I'm not a Taurus.
Oh, sun signs. Okay.
Are you a Gemini?
Oh, Gemini.
Gemini is a good
is a
shout.
good guess because twin
Yeah.
personalities.
Exactly.
Smart boy. Oh,
Okay. Just guess.
wait.
कि मैं कौन
Gemini
सा-
is a
कौन सा
twin.
side- I'll
ना?
give you a hint.
हाँ.
Yeah, Virgo is a twin.
Yeah,
Virgo.
Gemini is a twin.
Yeah.
Gemini is the twin.
हाँ.
I'll give you a hint. ठीक है? I'm an air sign.
Air sign. Are you a Libran like me?
No, I'm not a Libra.
Okay.
Pisces?
Come on.
Sagittarius. नहीं, Sagittarius is a
No.
fire earth sign. नहीं.
I'm an Aquarius, guys.
Oh, a water sign. तो water
It's a
sign
water
हो गया.
sign ना bro.
नहीं, Aquarius को सब लोग water sign बोलते हैं, but it's an air sign.
Aquarius के नाम में ही aqua है. this is
Exactly.
water.
No, वो षड्यंत्र रच रहे हैं वो लोग. नहीं. Trust me, it's an air sign.
That is conspiracy by big horoscope.
हाँ ना.
Yes.
I asked you this is because आजकल लोग बहुत सारे सन साइंस और ये सब फॉलो कर रहे हैं एंड उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उनका पर्सनैलिटी वो लोग बिल्ड कर रहे हैं. दो इट कैन बी सुपरस्टिशियस पर लोग उनका पर्सनैलिटी उनके सन साइंस के ऊपर बिल्ड करता है एंड इट काइंड ऑफ मेक्स सेंस बिकॉज आई एम लाइक कैन यू गेस व्हाट आई एम?
Are you
I
a
am-
Pisces?
No, I am emotional, I am introverted and I sometimes wear my heart on my sleeve which is ready for
अब तो
you.
पक्का कैंसेरियन हो. पक्का कैंसेरियन.
Spot on.
Yeah.
मुझे क्यों लग रहा है कि आर्यन ये सब सवाल पूछ रहा है जस्ट टू सी कि तुम दोनों के हॉरोस्कोप्स मैच होते कि नहीं.
हाँ
हाँ, हम लोग की कुंडली मैच, like are the stars aligned for us? हम लोग की कुंडली मैच कर रहा है.
Yeah, because legit for Aryan एक स्वर्ग से उतरी हुई अप्सरा उसके
अप्सरा
सामने
है
आई
तू।
है तो
Like you're very cute.
You gotta-
Like I don't know if you get that often. आप बहुत cute हो. Even your voice is very cute.
Thank you.
oh wow, you can animate your avatar too. Damn, that's so cool.
Yeah, I can
Like such minute details. Awesome.
Yeah, बहुत सारे small details है, and then like all thanks to my artist and my rigor. you know.
Yeah, okay, now let's get into that. Like, how do you get this setup done? Like, ये क्या है? Like, is this a drawing that you have animated या फिर इसको 3D में बनाया है जिसके ऊपर facial tracking
अच्छा।
करते हो? क्या है ये?
अच्छा, सो बेसिकली जो मेरा टाइप का वीट्यूबर है उसको बोलते हैं लाइव 2D वीट्यूबर, एंड ये एक 2D वीट्यूबर है या
Okay.
फिर 2.5D भी बोल सकता है ना.
Okay.
तो व्हाट दे डू इज दे मेक दिस होल कैरेक्टर, दे ड्रॉ इट एंड उसको लेयर्स में कट करते हैं, एंड द रिगर जो रिग करता है, दे जस्ट लाइक रिग आवर मॉडल्स, दैट हेल्प्स अस लाइक डू ऐसे फेशियल ट्रैकिंग वगैरह, ऐसे मूवमेंट्स वगैरह, एंड उसके बाद कंबाइनिंग ऑल ऑफ दैट आई कैन put this avatar into like a specific software जहाँ से मैं stream कर सकती हूँ, and I can like track my face as well with that software, and yeah, I can do a lot of things. We just need to dive deeper and deeper into it, and more questions will pop up.
Okay, so ये आपने डिज़ाइन किया है और is this done by someone? Did you put your own inputs over here कि मेरे blue crystal बाल होने चाहिए, सुंदर cheeks होने चाहिए blush के साथ?
Yeah,
I'm
so
sorry,
the
okay, I'm sorry.
तो describe कर रहा है कि line मार रहा है?
एक तीर से दो निशानी. Anyway, continue Navi, please. Let the woman talk.
So
Oh.
okay, so so my conceptualization was done by my boss, है ना, like
Okay.
our project owner, but I also had an input in it कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ऐसे चाहिए, मुझे वैसे चाहिए. तो yeah, I also had like a part in it.
So what is the part that you made it very specifically known कि this is you? What in this avatar is you, 110% you
Like,
in real life?
that iconic
तो
हाँ.
thing.
I would say, wait, not that.
Okay.
I would say ये आपने मेरे आंखों के नीचे आपको वो मोल दिख रहा है?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah, so that mole. So yeah, that is like very personal.
Ah.
That's so cute.
Oh, so एक minute. So you can change how much you can see on, like you can show on screen. Oh, गायब हो गई.
Yes.
Oh. So it's a full avatar.
Yes, it's a full avatar. Do you want to see?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Sure. So ये रहा मेरा full avatar.
Nice.
You're quite tall, huh?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm like 5'8".
Aryan is 6'1".
Yeah.
Oh,
So your forehead
nice,
will
nice.
be right near my.
Family content.
Family content. Sorry guys. Well, we started
Family
off this.
content के नाम पे family बनाने वाला content बंद कर रहा है आर्यन.
Like we started off.
head pads देने के लिए ना,
हाँ, head pads.
head pads देने के
Head
लिए.
pads,
Yeah, head
forehead
pads.
pieces, yeah.
Very cute head pads. Like we started off this anime. We started off this episode कि
were talking about-
वाइफों के बारे में बात करने वाले. Favorite waifus.
Favorite anime.
I guess I
girls.
found my number one.
Oh, god damn, thank you. मेरे को तो मुझे शर्म आ रही है यार. मेरे को जितना भी खास नहीं.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Like मैं बहुत कंट्रोल कर रहा हूँ ये, and I'm going to stop. You go ahead and talk to her.
अच्छा, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
आपकी आज्ञा देने के लिए.
Yes, thank you.
So हाँ, नाभी, ये जो रिग सेटअप है, ये जो डिज़ाइन है, इसका फ्रॉम आइडिएशन टू एग्जीक्यूशन का जो है टाइमलाइन क्या होगा?
And how much does it take for you to like
हाँ, and
invest?
costing also. हम एक साथ बहुत सवाल
Okay,
पूछते हैं.
Okay, so I cannot again it differs from like model to model, है ना? But for my model, it took about like 8 months in total.
8
जो
months?
मतलब बनाने में yes like it's a very tedious job. तो आप मेरे बालों का layers देख रहे हो ना, तो वो बहुत सारे layers में बटे हैं. जो blue layer अलग होगा, आगे का layer अलग होगा, उसके ऊपर shading का layer अलग होगा. So बहुत चीजें हुए थे.
मतलब अगर
And
8 महीने लगते हैं तो this is like almost like your baby.
Hmm.
Like this is your brain
Yeah.
child that has
Yes,
come
yes.
into birth.
Yeah.
yes exactly, मुझसे उत्पन्न हुई एक मतलब है. And in terms of like costing, it can go anywhere from around 30k to lakhs में भी चली जा सकती है.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah,
So-
it's a really profitable.
So मतलब ये जो face tracking का कुछ तो dotted lines होते हैं जैसे हम लोग
Are you wearing a suit or something और डॉट लाइन करके वो फेस ट्रैक
नहीं.
कर रहा है और क्या सीन क्या है?
नहीं. सो अभी जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ डायरेक्टली मेरे आईफोन से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. आईफोन का जो AR किट होता है उससे ही
okay.
यू कैन ट्रैक इट. सो देयर आर 52 AR किट्स आईफोन में. So I can do so all of this are being tracked.
Okay. Wow.
जो और ये बाद में रिग भी मतलब पहले रिग कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद you can just track it accordingly.
ओह सो जैसे
So
आईफोन में ऐसा फेस
technologically it's
रिकग्निशन
very-
को ऐसे से करना पड़ता
नहीं
है.
नहीं नहीं
Yes.
वैसा?
that is different.
तो
that तेरे iPhone Pro phones जो होते हैं ना 13 onwards उसके बैक साइड पे there's a LiDAR sensor.
ओह
No, वो एक्चुअली जो फेस का फ्रंट कैमरे से भी चलता है. इट्स लाइक मोस्टली फेशियल रिकग्निशन का ही है.
Oh उससे भी होता है. Wow.
Yes.
So basically हाँ Aryan has an iPhone 13.
सो आई कैन डू
So
इट.
उससे भी हो सकता है.
Yes, absolutely हो सकता है.
Damn.
बट इफ आई हैव टू मेक अ कस्टमाइजेबल मेरा ही खुद का आर्यन साहिल फ्रॉम जियो सिनेमा ऐसा कुछ तो उसके लिए मुझे कस्टमाइजेबल ऑर्डर देना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट?
Yes, that's true. अगर customized models are also like ज़्यादा pricey होते हैं वो, but you can customize it as much as you want.
आर देयर एनी लिमिटेशंस?
हाँ, limitations के हिसाब में like for my model है ना जो 2D मॉडल है उसमें अभी मेरे साथ मतलब मैं हैंड ट्रैकिंग वगैरह नहीं कर सकती हूँ, तो उसमें मेरा हाथ नहीं दिखेगा. बट देयर इज लाइक एन अपडेट जहाँ पे हम लोग हैंड ट्रैकिंग भी डाल सकते हैं, बट उसके लिए अलग साइड फिर यू नीड टू मेक लाइक अ whole different character but then whole different
Extra
3D
details,
models.
extra
Artwork
details
and
की
rigging,
hand
yeah.
जब उठता है तब उसका shadow वैडो सब
गॉट इट.
अलग अलग.
हाँ, and then you have to like rig it and everything like that. हाँ, तो वो होता है. I think like movement का थोड़ा वो क्या बोलता है con, like one of the cons is like movement, but it's okay like as long as you can just be as
Yeah, मतलब just
you know
the
joyful as
हाँ.
possible.
The movements that you're already doing are like almost like lifelike.
हाँ.
Like ऐसा समझ like it doesn't feel like you need to move your hands that much.
करेक्ट.
Okay, thank you.
I am shocked. Like it's like talking to your waifu in real life,
Exactly, yeah.
and it's completely a new experience for me. Like
Thank
I don't know. I'm totally speechless. You can say.
Basically आर्यन को ये पूछना है कि अगर उसने आपको स्काइप कॉल या फिर जूम कॉल पे फ़ोन किया तो आप उससे बात कर सकते हो क्या ऐसे एवेटार में?
Sure. I can do that.
Cool.
Damn.
So that brings me to my next question. Like, will you be willing to go out on a date one day?
Finally, Aryan has asked the question.
Oh,
Like, it will be a great. It is all for content, guys. All for content.
तो मतलब ये I thought कि आप मुझे actually पसंद करते हो, but ये सब content के लिए.
I mean, I guess that is the.
नैया डुबा दिया है
I guess
इसने.
that is the वो truth है, पर ऐसे डायरेक्टली मैं पूछ नहीं सकता ना, जरा शाय भी हूँ तो
अच्छा.
कंटेंट के नाम पे.
अच्छा.
Sure. My answer is yes, definitely yes. Why not?
Cool.
I would love to.
I guess.
Awesome. So I guess that could be like in the upcoming few episodes.
Correct. We can make that happen. Like going on the
Yeah.
date with a VTuber.
Yeah.
चलेगा. Okay,
So-
Navi, do you have anything to say to the audience?
To the audience, प्लीज चेक आउट द एनालिस्ट शो, सारे के सारे एपिसोड जियो सिनेमा में. एंड एंड
नीचे ही सारे एपिसोड्स रह गए.
Yes, नीचे सारे episodes रहेंगे and give them lots of love, man. They work so hard and they're so sweet. And और भी episode में मैं आऊँगी hopefully.
Yes.
So look forward to that.
100%.
So I guess that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Navi, for being on this episode with us. Thank you everyone for
Thank you so
watching
much
this
for having
episode.
Yes.
This is the Analyst Podcast, signing off.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.